What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Well, in today's episode, guys, we are going to work on the Golf R here. As you guys requested, I'm going to do a little bit more of Golf R contents because I haven't been doing anything with the Golf R, but I'm going to start working on the Golf R pretty soon. And again, guys, if you haven't done so, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you guys can never miss any of my video going forward. And at the same time, it will literally help me a long ways if you guys hit that like button just for the algorithm's sake, so that way at least my videos will be promoted in the process. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. So I just finished doing the oil change on the Golf R, and I figured, it's time to get the rotation going. This is one of the videos I actually wanted to do in the longest time because I haven't seen any video yet online on this in YouTube. Is the true way to actually do a rotation on the Golf R. I know it's fairly similar to any all-wheel drive pattern out there, but at the same time, I want to point out that if you do have the stock rim, the stock wheel, they are bi-directional, so basically we will be doing the crisscrossing of the tires. The front right will be going to the rear left and vice versa type deal. So anyways, guys, we'll be doing that. I'll be showing you how it's done. And I figured, I'll have some content on a Golf R rotation because I don't think there's any video out there yet regarding the topic. First order of business, first thing you do is to check to make sure the type of tires you have before you start doing all the crisscrossing or the shuffling of the tires. In this case, the Continental is a bi-directional tire. So basically you can then put it in any way you can. As you can see, it just shows that it's outside wall type deal. So basically there's no direction or anything like that on the sidewall here. So we should be good to go to do the crisscross. Front right will be going to the rear left, and then the rear right will be going to the rear, the front left. Well, the tire rotation for the Golf R, guys, is all done. It's all complete. The car has been dropped already and torqued, the proper torques at 88.5 foot-pound. And by the way, guys, just wanted to point out a few things that really helps in the process here. Besides from the tools, what I normally do and I like to do is that my bulb stem here, as you guys can see, always points to the end of or the sharp end of the VW here. And that's always lined up, and every wheel is the same way. Just things that I do with my wheels when I put them on, so they're all nicely coordinated. And at the same time, guys, I want to point out the tools that I've used in this process. This is really a nice to have, as you guys can see, to keep your rims this nice and clean without any scuffs or scratches. This is what I use basically here. It's one of those things with that Teflon lining here that basically protects your rim here, the inner part of the wheels. And I have a set here and they are from the professional tools of eBay or actually Amazon. And yeah, they're nice to have. Also, I do have a scissor lift here, or a jack that you can basically use to lift the car up, and stands, of course, as always needed to make sure that you protect yourself underneath there. And power tool here to undo our bolts for every single wheels, and also my torque wrench here, obviously here, that we'll be able to use to torque it up. One thing that I use quite a bit is this tool here. It's basically a hanger that given that all German cars don't have the studs on them, built-in studs, you need this basically to hold on to that tire while you're actually, or that wheel, while you're actually getting rid of the bolts there. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. One other thing that really, from the PPF point of view, protect your back type deal, you need one of these pads. I have two of these pads, and also this chair here, a movable chair that's really handy to really sit down and actually work on the cars, because then it protects your knee, protects your back, the whole 9 yards. So anyways, guys, those are the tools that I would recommend you have around, so that way you guys can, you know, work properly and protect yourself for the longevity of your back and your knees, that is. So anyways, guys, without further ado, as always, again, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you guys can never miss any of the videos going forward. And at the same time, guys, happy summer to you. I hope that you guys are enjoying your summer. I just came back from New York and with my wife, and we had so much fun. It's so warm in the whole 9 yards, but yeah, it's not so bad. At the same time, it's nice to just relax and unwind. Anyways, guys, as always, peace out.